Chef Christopher Carey here from Columbia College Culinary Department. Today we're going to talk about flavor profiles. So as a chef, I'm always thinking about the flavors that I want dishes to represent. And the first thing that I go to is what I call salt, fat, acid, and heat. So I tell my students about these four components or what brings a dish together. So let's discuss each one just briefly. So salt, one of the biggest ingredients that we use in the culinary world. What does it do? It brings out the flavor by pulling moisture and flavor out of the chicken, the fish, the shrimp, the vegetables. Next, we need to carry that flavor. How do we carry that flavor? We carry it through what we call fat. So fat, a lipid, can be oil, can be butter, duck fat, beef fat, pork fat, olive oil. All of these are fats. What does it do? It carries the flavor. The flavor of the dish gets put into the fat, and then that's what we ingest, which then we pull into our taste buds. But we need something to balance that fat, and that's where acid comes in. It helps to pop the flavor. And I'm talking about lemon juice, lime juice, vinegar, white wine, red wine. Not a lot, just a little, bring out that flavor. And then the last is heat. And we're not talking about physical temperature heat, as in 100 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit for boiling. What we're talking about is chilies or spice, jalapeno, chili flakes, togarashi spice from Japan. All of this in combination together will bring some variety and bring texture and bring flavor to your next dish. So when you're making your next chicken breast, squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over it, give a little spice of chili peppers, a little bit extra salt, and you'll find that your dish is going to be much better.